ya.
Here's Grandpa.
Yeah, Grandpa getting spit up on.
Grandpa and here's Jacob. Grandpa, since I already said. And here's Melody again. It's eating a banana. Here's your hair. And let's see what else. Here you go. Grandpa, say hi.
Hello.
Hi, Jacob. Jacob's funny, and we're spending on Grandpa's house one day, and then it's gonna be school. And where do you live? Oklahoma. We live in Texas. It's been a far away. We live in every kind of state. It's been a long time. Hi, Grandpa.
Hi.
There we go, Jacob.
Good, you're good boy.
Jacob. And over here. Here comes Mom. And I might to the dark. Okay, we're going back to Jacob. Hello, Kaylee. Okay. Hello, Grandpa.
What? Oh, I can't sit there.
My break's over. Come on, you have a table right there. My break's
Hello,
over.
Kaylee.
I have to get back.
Hello, Kaylee.
Okay, 5 more minutes.
I only come from Kaylee.
Come on.
And there's Jacob.
5 more minutes, Jacob.
And let's go. Where's my mom?
5 more minutes.
See, there's a table there.
Here's Melody. And where is my mom?